Hi, I'm Ken Krell. Speakers, authors, coaches, thought leaders come to me to discover how they can take their current position and turn it into high-powered, high-profit, transformational digital events. I can do the same for you too. You're about to watch an excerpt of one of our online events that I think you may find very powerful. After that, I'll meet you and we'll talk about it.
The scenario that we're in right now is that's actually one of the greatest opportunities. So like when there's the most uncertainty is when the most opportunity shows up and available. It's just not where you would normally be looking for it. So, and you have to really guard your mind when there's everything that's going on right now. You need to have a job ad that's really stands out from the crowd and grabs that person's attention if there's something unique and interesting to pay attention. Yeah. The fact that we can offer them a virtual sales role is a massive selling point because those are not very common out there, where it's like a legitimate work from home sales opportunity. Most of the ads offering that are scammy type of situations.
Yeah.
But we all are used to working from home, having virtual companies. I've done that for 23 years.
Yeah.
So having that in your job title instantly is going to gather a lot of attention. And the fact that you have this great virtual work from home sales role, every single person we've hired, we've used this automated process to find just phenomenal talent. And then also show you how to use it to find sales closers. It's basically the sales engine that drives our business. And we've helped hundreds of agency owners do it. Everybody that followed through and actually implemented has a 100% success rate of bringing on a part-time, risk-free, commission-only person on their team. And we just take that model and replicate it into new industries. So like we're expanding into other industries right now. So that's like can double, triple your business by taking what works in one niche, expanding into the next niche, into the next niche. We're rolling out new services using the exact same model. So the opportunity for growth is exponential.
So that's one short taste of how you can use the power of digital events to help people transform their lives and find a new way to live. Want to learn how you can put it to use in your own business? Well, stick with me for the Digital Events Essentials Plan. It's called DEEP. It'll take you through how you can plan, produce, and profit from your own online events. It's pretty great, it's pretty free, and I think you'll like it pretty much. So come join me. Click the link either in the description below or somewhere on this video itself, and we'll take you over there. It's completely free. I think you're going to love it, and it will give you the plan you need to plan, produce, and profit from your own digital events.